Let's prepare our client's skin for her big day with our bridal facial. First, you'll want to start off with cleansing the skin. This will help remove any dirt, oil, prevent acne, and also create a clean canvas for any of the following steps and modalities. Work the product into the skin and remove with facial sponges. Next, we'll be using Dain Microdermabrasion with blue light therapy. Begin by ensuring that the filter is placed into the device to catch any debris or dead skin cells. There are 3 microdermabrasion tips as well as 2 glass suction tips. Select the tips depending on the client's skin tolerance. Select the microdermabrasion tip of choice and press the power button. The blue LED light will simultaneously turn on as you press the power button. This helps combat acne and blemishes with the power of blue light therapy. This device comes with 3 intensity modes: low, medium, and high. Adjust the suction intensity to customize your facial treatment depending on the client's skin condition. Beginning at the client's forehead, hold the skin taut and begin the microdermabrasion process. Continue creating vertical motions using the device, making sure not to hold the tool in one place for too long. This will help buff away any dead skin cells to remove and reduce pigmentation, acne scars, and fine lines and wrinkles. Be sure to not go over the same area more than twice, and don't be afraid to move the nose to really get into every crevice. By buffing away dead skin, we're creating a clean canvas for our client to have a smooth makeup application on her wedding day. For extractions, you'll want to switch from the microdermabrasion tip to the glass suction tip. Press the power button and select the intensity level depending on the client's tolerance. You'll want to focus the extractions on your client's problematic areas. This could be the T-zone or anywhere that comedones are present. Be sure to ask your client during the facial if the intensity level is okay. If the intensity setting is too high for the client, adjust the intensity setting back to low. You may also apply a disincrustation solution to assist you with extractions. Next, we'll want to apply some toner on a 2x2. This serves as an antiseptic as well as bringing nutrients back into the skin. Apply the toner starting at the chin and working all the way up. Next up, you'll want to apply some of your favorite serums. Here I'm mixing our peptide serum as well as hyaluronic acid, and this will be applied before moisturizer and SPF. And whenever applying any facial products, be sure to apply it on the neck and décolleté as well. Next, you'll want to incorporate the Nano oxygen sprayer as an advanced nutrient delivery system. Include any one of our 5 oxygen activating serums into the device as the last and final step. Select the power button and hold away from the client's skin anywhere from 6 to 12 inches. Infusing oxygen as well as serum of choice into the skin will leave your client with a healthy glow for her perfect day. As an added bonus to the bridal facial, you can include the oxygen infusion. This is 95% pure oxygen, and this helps reduce any fine lines and wrinkles, purifies and rejuvenates the skin, and gives a revitalized and refreshed appearance. The final modality to this facial is going to be the LED Pro multi-wave light system. This LED system comes with red light, amber light, and blue light. Since we're doing the bridal facial, you'll want to use the red LED. Exposure to red light helps increase collagen production as well as stimulate intercellular activity. This helps reduce any fine lines and wrinkles as well as boost new skin cell growth. During this time, apply your favorite cooling gel. And while that marinates, you can also give your client a neck and décolleté massage. You can leave the LED on for anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. Ideally, you'll want your client to come back on a monthly basis, anywhere from 4 to 6 months before her wedding date. You'll also want to prioritize home care to your client to maximize results.